In today's video, I'm doing an airbrushed pour. I have a couple of my favorite colors, which are the ocean green and really dark Prussian blue. I also have a little bit of white paint, and to try out something a little bit different, I have some calligraphy ink in silver, and I'm going to try adding that to my piece, kind of testing it out to see how it reacts with the acrylic paint. In previous videos, I've added alcohol inks, and those react quite differently with the acrylic paint. So I just want to see what a water-based ink would react like, or if it will dry well and show up as a nice silver embellishment for my painting. In video number 567, I did another airbrushed piece, and I actually used some gold calligraphy ink, and it wound up drying really well and it was very bold. So I want to just see what this silver will also look like. I'm just putting in a really nice thin base coat of my white paint down and using my sponge brush just to get a good thin coat across my entire canvas. I have each of my paints mixed with some pouring medium. It's actually a really thin airbrushed medium. It's much thinner than normal pouring medium, but I really like it for this style of painting that I do because it thins the paint down much thinner than other pouring mediums that I use. And it makes it a lot easier for that airbrush to push the paint around. So I just start by alternating my colors. I put both of the Prussian blue and that ocean green down, and then I just start using my airbrush and moving it around the canvas. And I try and do small amounts of paint at a time with this technique so that things don't get too muddy. And I realized after the fact that I didn't really like the white for the base paint. It did get a little muddy in a few areas, and I don't like how light some of the colors got. I wish that they would have been darker and bolder, but it was just testing it out with this silver just to see what it would do, and next time I do an airbrushed piece, I won't do my white as the base coat. think this piece is really beautiful. I do really enjoy these colors together, and I think adding that silver was a nice little touch. Next time I may try adding some silver leaf instead. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if there are other color palettes that you'd like to see with my airbrush technique. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one.